Morning students, today we are going to study chapter 2 of physics, that is physical quantities and measurement. Before studying this chapter, we should know that what are the physical quantities. The length, mass, time and temperature are some of the physical quantities which will be going to be discussed in this chapter. Moving ahead, in this chapter we will be going to learn about the measurement of length, measurement of mass, measurement of time and measurement of temperature. Before understanding measurement, it is important to understand what is a unit. Basically, unit is defined as a particular one quantity of that particular length, mass or temperature or the time which has to be calculated or be measured. Okay, as it is defined over here, the length unit over here such as centimeter, meter, kilometer, inch and foot, these are all the name of the unit, and you can see the particular symbol for centimeter, meter, kilometer, and all of them are given over here. A good example of the measurement has been given over here. It is written, for example, if we see that the length of room is 5 meter, we mean that the unit of length is meter and the length of the room is 5 times the unit meter. Okay, over here 1 meter has been calculated as its unit, and that 1 meter had become 5 times because the length of the room is 5 meter. Over here, thus the measurement needs two things, the unit and particular the number n, which tells us how many times that unit is contained in that quantity. So it is written over here as thus the measurement is expressed as measurement is equals to n, which is the n is the number which tells us how many times the unit it is, and u is that particular unit. A unit must have the following properties, that it should be of convenient size, and secondly it must be universally accepted. In over here, universally accepted means whatever unit is over here in India, that same measurement will be measured over in the America also. Thus, to measure a quantity, we choose to know fixed quantity of that kind and as the unit, and then find how many times the fixed quantity is contained in the given quantity. That means if over there the measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. Over here, to measure a quantity, it should be specific, whether it's the comparison of the measurement of length, mass, time or temperature. Whatever we are measuring, that particular unit is compared, and then the total amount whatever has been measured is being known as its particular measurement. In olden times, in the past, different units were used to measure the length, mass and time in different countries. The following over here are given. As you can see, the centimeter, gram, second, foot, pound, second and meter, kilogram, second. These were the different types of systems which were used to measure the length, mass and the time in respective countries.